everybody. Today's art section something different. DIY, do it yourself. Today's art section is related to hand paint. You can hand paint at your home very easily. I'm going to use the Fevicryl colors. I'm use the acrylic Fevicryl colors, the shade according to my base. I have a plain cloth, the Fevicryl color. I'm going to use the dark green, sap green and brilliant purple. With the flat brush number is 6 and the round brush number is 0. So let's start with the drawing. I'm going to start with this plain cloth. I'm not going to use any type of frame to stretch the material. It's just a table. This is my rough material and I'm going to put this my plain material on this. Firstly, you have to find out your place, what type of design or what type of pattern you want to draw. I'm going to draw some floral pattern. This is my dupatta. So I'm going to draw with the help of round brush and the pink color. You can trace the design over this your article. I'm going to draw directly. This is the now final picture of my floral bale. This is my pallu, the one sided of dupatta. The same way I'm going to paint the same bale on the second edge. So enjoy this activity. I hope you will get lots of information from this video. Thank you and have a nice day.